5 websites that will boost your learning. As a college student, are you looking for ways to increase your learning capacity while juggling between your various classes, assignments, social events, and other commitments? Thankfully, there are many online platforms that can be your trusty companion, offering you invaluable resources to facilitate your academic path and support your success. In this video, you will learn about 5 must-visit websites that can make your college journey more successful by boosting your learning and increase your performance. 1. Rate My Professor. This is a website that allows students to see feedback and reviews on their college professors. This means that before registering for a class, you can check out your potential professor's ratings. This can help you decide if they'll be a good fit for your learning style or at least know what to expect when attending the professor's class. 2. Quizlet. Quizlet is an app for creating and studying digital flashcards. The app allows users to create digital flashcards with text, images, and audio, as well as study them in a variety of ways, such as through quizzes, games, and flashcards. Quizlet will also allow you to share your flashcards with others and collaborate with them. With Quizlet, you can study on the go, in fun and interactive ways, and reinforce your knowledge efficiently. 3. Chegg. Chegg is a versatile educational platform that offers step-by-step solutions to textbook problems, textbook rentals, and more. Chegg also provides practice tests, online tutoring, and personalized study plans for students. The app is available on both Android and iOS devices. 4. Course Hero. Course Hero is an online learning platform offering various study resources and student supports. With Course Hero, you can access practice problems, study guides, and explanations for every subject. Plus, Course Hero also offers scholarships for students overcoming obstacles in their college journey. Be sure to check it out. 5. edX and Coursera. These are online education platforms with courses from top universities. With these platforms, you can expand your knowledge beyond the classroom. The platforms also provide the opportunity to earn a certificate or diploma after completing a course. Both edX and Coursera are a great way to gain new knowledge or enhance your existing ones. You can add these 5 online platforms to your arsenal as secret weapons for improving your learning and college success. With the resources, you'll be well on your way to achieving academic success. Bookmark them now to support your academic life and increase your success potential. I hope you enjoy this video. Please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to support our work and for a quicker access to future videos. Thanks for watching.